Hey guys, this is Bree from Review Nerds. Today I am reviewing this 8-in-1 power cleaner, which is so cool. This is adjustable. It easily moves up and down. Hard to do with one hand, but this goes more. It's already long, but gets longer, which is great for those hard to reach spots. It's super easy to use. There is a button right here to turn it on, and then your modes. Mode 1, Mode 2, Mode 3, Mode 4, and Mode 4 is stop. You can easily take off this top attachment, and there's cleaning and care instructions on how to clean those in the box. But you can switch it out for one of the other attachments, and if you have crevices in your bathroom, in your kitchen, that are just really hard to get to, this is truly a game changer. I am so excited about it. It's just an easy to use product to get into those crevices and clean with an automatic, and these are easy to clean, which makes me want to use it even more.